Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, you probably saw already a video. Maybe I might actually put this one up first before I put the other one up. So in my last video I did this look and testing out the Morphe 24A Artist Pass, this one right here. So if you want to see that, keep an eye out because I'll probably post that one after this video. But yeah, if you want to see how this turned out and if I like that palette, just stay tuned for that video coming up soon. But today's video is of course my Boxycharm premium unboxing. It's pretty heavy this month. I just got it yesterday. What is it? June 22nd. So I've been getting them pretty kind of late in the month recently, and I mean I understand because of all this COVID going on and all that. So they're running behind, and they did email me saying that they're running behind because of all that stuff and limited staff and all that. So I understand. So I'm just happy to have gotten it and be able to share it with you guys right now. So if you want to see what I got this month, just keep on watching. So this month's theme is the Oasis. It's really cool, like a relaxing spa kind of theme. And alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start with the very top thing, which is the Living Proof Restore Instant Protection. It's a weightless heat and UV protectant. I'm glad because I only have one other one. It's like a spray, but not aerosol. I think this one's aerosol. Yeah, this one's gonna be an aerosol. The other one's just like a little, like a liquid instead of aerosol. I don't know how to explain it, but it's different. And I only have one because I don't really do heat style my hair a lot. So it's nice to have that one now. So this one is the Living Proof Restore Instant Protection, a weightless spray that adds shine while protecting against heat and UV damage, and it retails for $28. Next up, I got this is probably my favorite thing right now. Well, almost. It's the Too Faced Cocoa Contour contouring palette. It's pretty big and heavy. This one of the items that made the box really heavy this time. Wow. Ooh. Comes with a little pamphlet that it's like the how-to glamour guide, and it has a little like instructions and I guess steps. All right, and then ooh, this is so fancy. This is like the fanciest face palette that I own now. Ah, can't open it. Ooh, I like it has the big mirror and then the 6 shades. Oh my gosh. And of course it smells like chocolate. I love it. That's one of the things I like about Too Faced, that they all smell like, or most of them, like face and eyeshadow palettes smell like chocolate. It's so good. And this one says, the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. Lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you've ever experienced. The buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for a diffused, subtle contour. So natural and effortless, all they'll see is your perfect bone structure. Retails for $44. Ooh, I like the soft, I don't know, the soft feel. It's so pretty. And it includes, so like the three bronzers and 3 highlighters, and of course they're like multiple skin ranges, so that's nice. Up next is this NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and this one is in the shade Lowrider. When I saw that name, I thought it was gonna be like a dark purple shade, something dark, but it's not. It's like this pink, pretty pink one, and it's says the potency and precision, the ultimate power couple, a powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet fluid pigment complex. Liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long lasting wear, sensorial lightweight texture that applies like an ink on lips. And it retails for $26. I actually want to try this out right now. So that's the color. It definitely doesn't go with my eye look, but I mean, it's not too bad. I like it. And yeah, I probably wear this one more than the other shade I've gotten before, but it's nice. And it definitely is lightweight. Like, I had like chapstick underneath, and that's all I feel like I have on still. I feel like a little bit different, but not really. Alright, so up next is this Baddington brush set. I was on my postcard, it says I should have gotten the $1 Billion Brow Sculpting Duo, but I guess they ran out and they just threw this on there and they didn't like reprint the pamphlet for me, which is, I mean, I don't care, it's fine. And these are nice too. This is the which one is this? I guess this is the highlighting brush. What is this? Okay, so it has a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. So this is the, what is it? Yeah, this is the contour brush and this is the powder brush, I guess. They're really nice and soft. Ooh, they're super soft, and I really like the gold handle. I kind of was looking forward to the $1 Billion Brow brush, but I mean, it's not bad. Actually, I think this is what the other one would have been, just like in one. Yeah. So I guess I made up for it this way. But I don't know how much it retails for, so I'm gonna just say $30 also, because that's how much the other one retailed for. Then the next product I was really excited about was the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. This is the first Glow Recipe product I own, I believe. Maybe I have, I don't know, maybe I have some other stuff that I've gotten, but I feel like this is the first. I've been wanting the watermelon mask so bad, but I just can't get myself to buy it because I think it's expensive. So avocado, this one is cool. And this one says, actually let me get it out first. And I like their packaging house, like in a glass case, and it's really pretty. And that's what it looks like. It doesn't have a smell. Oh wait. It has a slight smell. It had the little plastic so I couldn't smell anything, but it still doesn't have that much of a smell anyways. And this one says Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Okay, the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. The super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveals smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Uses a wash-off, flash facial, or overnight mask for deep recovery. And it retails for $49. Ooh. And see, I like masks that I can leave on, because I don't like doing like a lot at night and then having to wait and then go back and wash it off. I don't like that. So if this one isn't too messy, I might like leave it on overnight, because I do like to move around a lot and like the beds, and I don't want to get it all over the pillows and stuff. So hopefully it's not that bad. But if not, I'll just wash it off. It's still nice. Oof, oh my goodness. This is heavy. I thought it wasn't going to be this heavy. So last but not least, I got this Grace and Stella. I believe these are sheet masks, yeah. So, yeah. Anti-wrinkle plus energizing face mask. Oh, it's a 6-pack. It says, as we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which cause our skin to lose its structure and strength. Grace and Stella's anti-wrinkle energizing face mask is designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating skin. And this one retails for $25. Oh, thought it'd be more expensive than that, but I mean, not bad. Wow. That's what it looks like. Humongous sheet mask. It says it's like an energy drink for your face. Anti-wrinkle. That's cool, because I mean, I'm still young, but I definitely noticed my skin change from like when I was in high school. I used to be way more oilier, and now I have to keep my face moisturized, or it'll start feeling like too dry and like I don't know, plasticky in a way, because it's so dry. So this definitely comes in handy, and I can't wait to use it. Right, so I added up the total, and for this month the box is worth $202. So I paid $37 for the box, so I get like $165 free, pretty much. So it's like, it's great. Like one product itself pays for the whole box. Like a bunch of these products, like the Glow Recipe was $49, Too Faced $44, 28, 30. Yeah, so a bunch of these products pay like one single item. Okay, so just like this by itself, or pays for the box plus more, or like just the palette. This palette, the price of this palette is worth more than the whole, like the price I paid for the box. So that's why I keep this subscription box, because I don't do a whole lot of makeup shopping anymore, and I just try to use what I get in these boxes. So yeah, I'm glad. That's why. That's like, I know I'm still like, I don't get to use everything, but I mean, the only stuff I would have to use up is the palette. See, like these, this, and this are what could like expire, I guess. But I don't know. I don't know how long. It's still a good, like, okay, this one is 12 months. This one is 24 months. So 2 years for this, a year for this, and this one 6 months. Okay, so this one's the one I have to use up in like 6 months, because apparently it expires in 6 months. I don't know what happens after 6 months, but I don't know. So anything else, like the brushes, they don't expire. I mean, they'll get used up and be bad, but because you're using them. So everything else, I pretty much, oh, sorry. Everything else is like, they're like just free, I guess, in a way. But yeah, I'm excited. That's why I love this subscription box so much. And for $37, they have 3 different ones. They have the base box, which is like 25, 27. I don't remember how much it is anymore. And then this one, the premium, which I have, is $37. And then the Boxycham is $50. But that one replaces your base box every 3 months. Every 3 or 4 months, you get that one. So you'll get charged the $50 instead of 20 something. But you won't get the base box. You'll just get the Boxycham, and that one's worth like, it's the top of the top. That one's worth like probably over $300 worth of stuff, but for $50. So I used to have that one, but I wanted to cut back a little on my spending, and so I stuck with just the premium, because I had all 3 at one time. Like I was, so 2 technically, and then the Boxycham every so often. But then I just cut it back and stayed with just the premium one. So I'm happy I did that, because it's really good product still. So yeah, so it started to rain, so I hope you can't hear it, but I'm almost done. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the link down below for this one if you want to sign up for the Boxycharm subscription. I definitely recommend it, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and thank you for watching. Also, if you want to see this look, just stay tuned. It'll be up maybe next week or so. I'm trying to get this one uploaded like before the month ends, so hopefully I'll get the other one uploaded pretty soon after this one. Alright, so I'll see you on my next video. Bye!